So hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about Cross Prediction, a simple and exciting platform where you can make prediction on real world events and potentially earn rewards. So if you ever had an option about crypto, sports, politics, or major world events, this is for you. So what is cross prediction? So cross prediction is a prediction market platform where users predict the outcome of real world events. So instead of trading regular cryptocurrencies, you're trading on what you think will happen next. So simply choose an outcome, place your prediction, and wait for the result. So the events you can predict mga tol, no? So sa crypto, think Bitcoin will go up, or maybe Ethereum will outperform the market, or you can make prediction on major crypto events and price movements, no? So ito yung mga example niyan mga tol, no? So we have here BTC 1 minute up or down, ETH 1 minute up or down, and OKXI po in 2026, or Clarity Axine in Tolo in 2026. So on and so forth mga brokers, no? So as of the moment mga tol, there is two crypto token na ginagamit dito sa cross prediction is yung BIL and then yung cross, no? So ayan siya mga brokies. And we have also the culture, no? So predict trends in entertainment, gaming, technology, and other culture topics that people are talking about worldwide. So as of now guys, we only have will Apple release a foldable iPhone before 2027. So ito lang yung nag-iisang prediction natin dito sa culture, no? And next one we have macro, no? So these are big economic events that can impact markets globally. So examples including inflation, data, interest rate decisions, and major economic announcement, no? So kagaya nito mga brokies, so ito human moon landing in 2026. So ayan, you can also predict here mga tol. And also dito, SpaceX Starship fully reusable before 2027, no? So yan yung mga macro natin na events na nandito sa cross prediction. And then next one mga brokies is politics. So make prediction on politics events, election outcomes, government decisions, and other major developments around the world, no? So kung makikita nyo dito mga brokies, ito mga best example dyan, no? So Trump out as president before 2027. So you can also predict here mga tol. So kailangan nyo lang dyan ng BIL token para makapag-predict kayo dito. And then also we have here will China unban Bitcoin by 2027? Yan mga tol. And we have here, will Trump acquire Greenland before 2027, no? So on and so forth mga tol. And then last but not the least mga brokies is yung sports, no? So love sports, predict winners of major matches, tournaments, and sport events. So whether it's football, basketball, or other popular competition, you can join the action. So as of now mga tol, we only have here basketball, no? So ito mga tol, makikita nyo din dito, meron tayong game 4, Knicks versus Spurs. So ayan, pwede kayong tumalpak dito or tumaya, no? Kung sa madaling salita, kung ano sa tingin nyo. If ever Knicks kayo, pwede kayong mag-buy, or if Spurs naman kayo, is pwede kayong mag-buy din sa Spurs, no? So ayan siya mga brokies. And then 2026 NBA champion. So sa atin mga brokies, yung predict natin is yung Philadelphia 76ers, pero laglag na sila mga tol, no? So how it works mga tol, no? So choose an event, read the available outcome, select the outcome you believe will happen, submit your prediction, wait for the official result, and earn rewards if your prediction is correct. It's that simple mga brokies, no? Ganun na siya kadali. So why try cross prediction? So easy to understand, fun and interactive, covers multiple categories, lets you test your knowledge and instincts, participate in real world events from one platform. So that's a quick overview of cross prediction. So whether you are into crypto, sports, politics, culture, or global economic events, there's always something interesting to predict. So if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for more cross ecosystem updates. And thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video. So yun lang. Peace out mga tol.